I believe that Fairy Meadow is the best suburb in Wollongong. Why, you may ask? Well, Fairy Meadow has everything you could ask for. Wonderful boutiques, major supermarkets, terrific restaurants, superb cafes, and everything that you could want. My office is even in Fairy Meadow, so I know a lot about this location. So what can I tell you about this wonderful brick home? Well, it has not just been a house, it has been a home. The property has been in the family for over 55 years and really lovingly cared for. Now that is saying something. This owner has enjoyed the convenience of the location, and this brick residence is in great condition. You will enjoy the 3 bedrooms, and there is a very large detached room which currently has a second kitchen in it and is generous enough to entertain all your friends and family. You may be even able to convert this area into a granny flat, however you would require Wollongong Council's approval first. All tradesmen will be jealous of the garaging, workshop and secure parking. So if you are looking for your first home or want to right size into a place which is single level and in a quiet location and yet a short walk to everything, this is for you. Thank you for watching. I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I hope to see you soon at 3 Hurley Avenue, Fairy Meadow.